After nearly 4 decades of courtroom battles, justice has finally been served. The Supreme Court has restored the historic estates of Raja Bahadur Sardar Singh of Khetri, worth over 3,000 crores, to the charitable trust that he had created, that he had willed his property to. Sardar Singh, who was a member of the Constituent Assembly, the former parliamentarian, he died in 1987 without heirs. But before his death, he left a clear will gifting all his properties to the Khetri Trust for education and for public good. Now, the Rajasthan government decided, these are all the properties of the Khetri estate that I'm showing you on our screens here. The Rajasthan government, however, stepped in under the Escheat Act and took over the properties. What's an Escheat Act? It's a legal principle that allows the state to claim a property if someone dies without heirs or a will. But in this case, there was indeed a valid will, making this takeover itself illegal. For decades, this wrongful claim locked the properties into litigation. Palaces like the Khetri House, Amar Hall and Sukh Mahal, that was once thriving heritage sites, were fully looted and vandalized. Many of them were set on fire while laying in state custody. In fact, priceless antiques, frescoes and family records were all lost forever. That's the legacy there that was left behind, which could have really been preserved by the Rajasthan government. But because of this litigation, look what has happened to this heritage site. Multiple heritage sites, all that belongs to the Khetri Trust. After years of delay, the Supreme Court has now finally drawn the line. It ruled that the state of Rajasthan has no right to interfere in private wills when a valid testament does exist. Escheat, the court said, applies only if the person dies truly intestate and with no will and no heirs. This verdict not only clears the cloud over Khetri's legacy, but also sets a precedent here against state overreach in succession matters. This move was welcomed by Trustee Prithvi Singh, who called this a landmark judgment.
Very unfortunate thing that it went into a very long-drawn litigation with the government of Rajasthan. And we are especially happy that the Honorable Supreme Court had come to the conclusion that the government has no locus standi in private litigation. It's a landmark judgment because if the government is allowed to interfere in private litigations, there will be no end to the problems that will be created in the country.
For Raja Sardar Singh, who dreamt of using his wealth for scholarships, science and education, justice may have come late, but at last at least.